Are you in the mood for a last-minute rural getaway?
If you are, come with us for a few days as we enjoy a last-minute getaway in this gorgeous countryside cabin. We're staying here for 3 nights. We booked it really last minute, actually.
Very last minute, like last week.
Yeah, last week. We follow this place on Instagram because we've stayed here before, but we stayed in a different type of accommodation. We stayed in Betty the Bedford.
We will link that vlog
Somewhere.
for you somewhere so you can go and watch it.
But last minute availability came up for this cabin for 3 nights, Valentine's weekend. So that's why we're here on Valentine's weekend. But it's a really hot tip, actually, isn't it? Follow all of the go-to places you'd like to stay at on Instagram or other social media.
Yeah, because we quite often see places that we've either stayed at before or places that we really want to stay at, and they advertise their last minute availability on Instagram stories. So if you're looking for a last minute break and you're finding it difficult to find accommodation, that would be our #1 tip.
Yeah, hot tip that. But do you want to look around? Let's show you. Come on into our cosy cabin.
The first thing that strikes you when you come into the cabin is the amazing picture window. It is absolutely huge, giving you the most beautiful view out over these gorgeous fields.
There's a really stylish kitchen. In fact, everything is so super stylish in here. This wood cladding I am in love with. It is beautiful. These lovely lights will show you when it's all lit up at night because it's really nice glow to it. Everything you could probably need apart from an oven. There's a couple of hobs, toaster and a kettle, all of the pots and pans you might need. So for a short stay, it's just right.
Now, what cabin would be complete without a log burner? We haven't got this on at the moment because it is a toasty 21 degrees in here and it is lovely and warm with the sun streaming in through the window. But later on, we're going to light this baby up and huddle around it.
Behind the barn door is the gorgeous bathroom. Again, feels super cozy. The wood panelling gives it that really warm feel, semi-industrial kind of styling. Really lovely touch of a great big heavy stone sink.
So as you step out of the cabin, there is this beautiful deck with these gorgeous chairs and a lovely view and a free dog with every stay. Opposite the cabin is this lovely big outdoor fire pit, and we are gonna hopefully light a fire in here in a minute. Toast some marshmallows and hopefully not freeze. Don't you look handsome in your bandana? Come on then. Dozer, let's go find Mac. Come on. Hello?
Hello.
Aren't you meant to put water in that?
You are, but it's February and it's freezing. So I'm going to have to work up to that. Maybe a bottle of wine later. But there is this wonderful, lovely, deep outdoor bath with the view to die for. And to go with your outdoor bath, we have a lovely outdoor shower. I say lovely. Did we mention it's February? Did we mention it's freezing? So we may not try it. But it is all hot water. Hot water supplies all the stuff indoors, the outdoor shower and the outdoor bath as well. So well, you never know. If we have enough to drink, we might try it. We have our special marshmallow toasting forks.
Untested.
Untested, first time out. But I'm going to burn my fingers. Oh no, you're not.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
Oh look, can get right in there.
Yeah, but is it melting?
Yeah, yeah. What, the fork?
Is the fork melting?
No, the fork seems to be alright. Wow, that's pretty charred.
I don't even have to bend down to toast this bad boy.
Oh, that's true.
It's pretty crispy.
Looks like a lump of coal.
If we dance together, it'd be romantic. It'd be like Valentine's.
Think we'll spin?
What's spin? You're going to spin me into the fire.
1, go!
Mac thinks I'm absolutely crazy because it's cold, but tomorrow's weather forecast is meant to be really bad, raining and high winds, so I'm thinking it's time for an outdoor bath, because it's now or never, isn't it? And you can't come to somewhere like this, it has an outdoor bath and you don't use it. Yeah, go get the bubble bath. Oh no, not the Badidas.
What's wrong with the bad? Badidas. Like a fake sports brand. What other stuff have you got? Bubble bath.
Some.
Okay.
I don't want the Badidas.
You don't want the Badidas. Put the Badidas in town.
It's gonna be so warm.
What are you saying?
I'm saying it's gonna be so nice and warm, and you're gonna be so jealous.
It looks lovely.
It does look lovely. I don't think I've ever had a bath and kept my hat on before.
Okay, go for it.
Okay.
The water's lovely and warm.
Do you promise?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry, YouTube. I am wearing
Swimming costume.
a swimming costume. I'm not just gonna disrobe.
Get used to it.
I think the only thing to do is just to
Commit.
commit and do it. Oh, it's nice!
Is it? Is the temperature okay?
The temperature is perfect.
Hey.
Oh, the only thing is,
Yeah.
I'm in here on my own. The bath is really big.
Well, you need to keep your shoulders under, don't you?
Yeah, it just keeps
Because otherwise it's too cold.
sliding down. I've managed to convince Mac to get in with me.
It's very cold out there, but the water is very hot.
Only one problem.
What?
I only bought one towel.
Oh. Well, we've enjoyed a nice outdoor bath. Surprisingly refreshing, despite it being
was.
cold outside.
It was very warm in the bath, which was nice. We did have to top up the hot water a couple of times, but it was very, very nice.
It was lovely, yep. But now we're going to hang out, cook some dinner, and just relax for the rest of the evening. So we'll see you tomorrow.
See you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
As you can probably tell, It's a foul day out there today.
It is tipping it down and it is really windy, but perfect weather for what we have planned today.
Staying in, playing some board games, relaxing, maybe listening to an audiobook, looking adoringly at the dog, and maybe just eating and drinking some nice things.
Sounds perfect.
Yeah, perfect cabin weather.
It was a meandering strip that ran north-south, high in the hills above US 101. The highway was laid out far below me. I could see headlights streaming north.
I don't know about you, but for us, we often feel like we're on the go all the time. We work full time, and even on weekends when we're at home, it always feels like there's something to do. So I have to say, being here in this cabin, with the weather being so foul, there is nothing to do. It's just really nice, actually, just to chill out and relax.
It is, it's really nice being forced to relax. So we bought this with us, something we've had for a little while now and not managed to do it. It's a cold case investigation. It's like a sort of an escape room mystery in a box. This is Cold Case Investigation number 1, the Grand Jewellery Theft. So in here, in the evidence file, you have a whole set of clues all bound up here, so we're going to have to read through this, try and solve everything, and there's a little envelope, should we need it, with hints and of course the answers. So let's see how clever we are. Wow. Look at all these clues and evidence and stuff. It's like being a real detective.
We're reading through all of the clues. There's a lot of clues here. I'm closing in on my suspects, and you're allowed to use the internet. The rules say that you are allowed to look things up on the web, and I was intrigued by this, and then I found a further clue in the investigations notebook suggesting that it was the dice cipher. So I've googled the dice cipher on the internet, and now I'm going to translate the code and crack it and see if I can find another clue.
Well, we've put down the cold case. My brain's aching. It's like being at work, isn't it?
There's a lot of reading to do, but it's really good fun. We got that off of Amazon. If you're interested, check that out.
Real brain teaser. But we are about to head out into that gale force, storm condition rain to just walk the dog. But it kind of wraps up our stay, doesn't it?
Yeah, we've got to head home tomorrow. We've got to be at work at our desks for 9 AM. So we've got one more night here, and then we'll be leaving bright and early to get ready for work tomorrow morning.
But it's been a really nice short getaway. We didn't have to travel far. It's only an hour from home. Like we said earlier in the vlog, check out the places that you really want to stay in. Follow them on Instagram or other social media, and look out for those last minute opportunities, because this has been really fun.
It's been lovely. It's really been lovely and relaxing. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and the bell notification and all those good things so you don't miss our next video.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.